Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use list in Microsoft Excel. List is very much useful and it helps the user to select data from the given options. Also, it takes care of data integrity because the way you want user to write the data, they are forced to do in that way. So let us see how we can create a list in Microsoft Excel. Let us see the example. Here, in this data, I have got months from January to August, and I want my user to select data from these months only. He should not be able to enter anything else, but to select data from this given months. Fine. So how to do that? It will not take much time. So suppose I want my user to select data from G2. So wherever you want your list to get appeared, you click on that cell. After that, locate for data ribbon. So here is the data ribbon. Go to data ribbon. In the data ribbon, go for data validation. So the icon of data validation is something like this, a tick mark and a circle. Fine. So locate that data validation. Next to data validation, the small button is there. Click on that. Select data validation. And in the data validation, under settings tab, right now, if you see that in this place, that is G2, any values is allowed. Allow any value. It means in G2, we can type anything. Fine. But we don't want user to type anything, but I want user to select a value from Jan to August. How to do that? Quite easy. Click on this. You will see there is an option called list. Click on that list and source. So when the list will be there, from which place user is required to select, click inside the source, and my source is from Jan to August. It could be anything, whatever list you want to make, you can do that. So right now my list is what? Jan to August. So I selected that and okay, and we are done. So you can see in G2, the small button, that is the drop down, that is appearing. Fine. And we have created the list. So I want to give a background, different background color here, so that user will be able to understand that where is the list. So go to home tab, give some background color, and you can see what is here. So select month. Okay, select month. And so when you click on this place, whatever was here, that is going to appear. So how I use it in my say Excel workbook, whenever I'm working, whatever list I need to make, I don't keep the list here in front, but what I do, I go away, quite away to the data set in my Excel sheet, and all the list which I need to make, I keep it here in the last, and then I refer in the source, and then my list will be there. So nobody will be able to understand that from where this data is coming. Fine. So hope you have understood it, and I would like you to utilize in your work and let me know if you liked it. In the next video, I'm also going to discuss how to create dependent list or how to create dynamic list. I will give a little brief about that, what that is. So suppose I have got different states of India. So we have got Karnataka, we have got Tamil Nadu, we have got West Bengal, we have got Bihar, Jharkhand, and so on. So the moment we will select the name of the state, next to that city pertaining to that state should be coming into that list. Fine. So if we need to do like that, how to go ahead? Fine. If you know it, good. Show me thumbs up. If you don't, please let me know. I will make another video and update you. Thank you. Happy learning.